Have you ever been to Himalayas? No, me too. But do you wonder how I take all these kind of photos? Yes, I use Photoshop. But Photoshop is quite expensive and complicated. To remove your photo background without a green screen, it's very easy. Just follow my steps. I use a website called remove.bg. Remove.bg is a free website which helps to remove the background in seconds using AI. So, in order to remove, go to the website in the description below or go to remove.bg. Now, click on upload and the Windows file picker will open. Then you can choose the photo. After that, it will process for some time, so please wait. Yes, now it is processed. But in some areas like the garbage bin right here, it's not proper. So go to edit and go to the erase tab and erase the particular garbage scan as you can see in this picture. Now it's perfect. Now what you do is replace this boring background with a great interesting background like a beach. There are a lot of kind of backgrounds as you can see here, here. I choose the beach background because I like beaches and it's very nice. You can choose a lot of backgrounds from this. You can blur, slightly blur, or use a lot of effects in these options. So that is how simple to remove your background without green screen. I hope you like this video. Subscribe here, watch this amazing video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.